Hi folks, this is Daniel again from Clean Exterior in Worcester, Massachusetts, and today I'm cleaning this entire home right here and this one in the back right here. It's where two clients are. One belongs to the mother, another one to the daughter, but I got these two jobs here today from a job I did. Let me see, I think it was that house in the other side of the street. I got it off a yard sign, so it's pretty good. I'm gonna put another yard sign before I start, and then I'll see if I get more work out of this. This is a busy street, so okay, I'm gonna get started, pull my hoses and start the work. Okay, I'm in the back side of the house here. It's a long house, first floor. Not able to reach with my hoses all around the house here, but I may. I'm gonna start on this corner here, then go all the way around. Dilute my cam a little bit when I'm on the front side of the house because it's not really that dirty, and then finish. Maybe I'll do the right side of the house here, and then finish in the front. And I may even leave this to draw the longest here, and then come back around and clean it. I can't reach with my hose. So, alright, let me apply the cam here. Okay, all done with the first house here. It came out nice. I did a little bit of extra work and I got a $50 tip, so pretty nice with that one. Now I'm going to do the second house over here. I already put all of my stuff on the truck. Now I'm gonna move to the other house. This one took me a little bit longer than expected. I came here like at 11. Yeah, like around 11, and then it's 2 o'clock. I finished at 2 o'clock, packing with everything. So that's what 11, 12, 1, 2, so like 3 hours of work. Not bad, still. I wanted to finish a little bit earlier, but with all the extra stuff that I did, and I also got a couple of phone calls for quotes, and I booked another job for Friday, so that took away a little bit of my time, but still, it's work. Okay, let me move to the other house. But I wanted to hurry with everything because it's raining, and it's only like a drizzle at the moment, but it's supposed to rain today, so maybe this house is gonna take 2 hours with me setting everything up. Maybe, let's see. But all right, I don't know if I should park here or go in the other parking. I'll go in the other parking, and then I'll do the job from there. All right, let me get situated, and then take a couple of videos here. Okay, I'm all set up for now. Pull off all of my hoses. I hope and starting to rain a lot, so that means I need to hurry. Okay, so at least I'm not gonna be rinsing as much because of the rain, so rinsing the plants. So let's see how fast I do this job. It's going to be 2:40, so we'll see how long it takes. I'm planning to do like for example this side, just do this wall and that wall with soap at the same time. There's no sun, so, and do the same for the half side of the house. Soap half side of the house with SH, rinse, then do the half side as well, and let's see how long that takes. Okay, I'm gonna get started now. Okay, I applied the soap to half of the house. This wall, and a little bit on the right side here. Just there's a little stair, and it's a little bit complicated to just do all at once. So I'm gonna leave it for last. But out of this side, I already soaked it, and took about 7 minutes. Fine. I did come all the way back rinsing a little bit on the plants because it stopped raining just a little bit. I'm gonna rinse this side all the way over there and rinse the plants as I go, then come back and rinse this wall, and then go on the back of the house as well. But yeah, let's see how long it takes for me to rinse half of the house. Alright, all done with rinsing. So how long did it take? I think I started rinsing at 2:40 and it's 3:05, so no, sorry, like at 2:50. So 15 minutes of rinsing. Not bad. Not bad at all. So great. Let's start the other side. Alright, 5 minutes to soak these two sides of the house here. 5 minute totals. Now I'm going to rinse. See how long that takes. What time is it? 3:12. Let's see how long it takes. Okay, all done here. It's pouring rain. It's pouring rain now. To rinse everything, it took about 15 minutes, so not bad. And I started at 2:40, and it's about 3:31, so almost less than 1 hour. Not bad at all. So yeah, it's starting to rain heavily now. I'm gonna get everything packed and everything on my truck, and then get my check and I'm out of here. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, comment on the video below. Try my best to answer. Until next time, thanks. Okay, I'm soaked with water from the rain. So, but the lady liked the house wash, plus her mother as well. She gave me another $40 tip. So tips I made almost $100 today. So really good day for me. They like the job so much they're gonna leave a 5-star review on Google, which is awesome as well. All right, this is it for now. Tomorrow I don't have a job, so but on Friday, on Friday I have a deck to clean. I'll make a video of that as well. Thanks.